And we'll start chapter 4 on the advantages of silence with story 1. I said to a friend that I have chosen rather to be silent than to speak, because on most occasions good and bad words are scattered concurrently, but enemies perceive only the latter. He replied, that enemy is the greatest who does not see any good. The brother of enmity passes not near a good man, except to consider him as a most wicked liar. Virtue is to the eyes of enmity the greatest fault. Sa'adi is a rose to the eye of enemies, a thorn. The world, illuminating sun and fountain of light, look ugly to the eye of the mole. And just like some of the other stories, it's about the use of things. There's not enough sun and there's too much sun. And that varies per creature. It varies per human being too. So let's not give us who have more problems with the sun a hard time for that.